that. What's up, Miss Burns? It's Parker and it's Creighton. We're back again to make some more ice cream.
Woo! Hello, Miss Burns. I'm Thomas Maddox, and me and Creighton and Parker are very excited to make this lovely ice cream. I love ice cream, and we'll get started.
Creighton, like the last video, currently wants outside, but Creighton is an indoor cat, and he cannot go outside, and he has an assignment due in 3 hours.
The initial temp of just the ice, and we're gonna stick the thermometer down in there. Let it drop.
Wow. Whoa. Look at that. This is going to be like Northeast Arkansas tomorrow morning, so wear your jackets.
35.6 is what it stopped. Oh, it just keeps going. It's got to be below freezing, right?
That's an astute observation, Parker.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Let's just stop it there.
It's around
30.
30.
It's going to keep dropping. So
31.6. All right. So on that ice we have here, the initial temp of that ice was 31.6 Fahrenheit. Important to remember here. And then the Celsius was negative 0.22. That's pretty
All right,
cold.
Ms. Burns, it's been about a minute. We're going to retake the temp. Dropping pretty quick. Not as cold as the one with ice.
Not as cold.
I think it's going to sit around 31.
Yeah.
So now we got a different concoction here. We got some ice, we got some salt, we got some water. And so now we're gonna stick that old meat thermometer, digital thermometer down in there and see what we've got here. So we got it submerged good in there. Hanging out around 31. The mixture, about a minute later, we're gonna see what we've got here. Looks to be about 30 on the dot Fahrenheit.
All right.
All right, so it's been about 2 minutes and it's hovering around 31, 31.3.
So now we've at the 2 minute mark here. We're gonna put it in. It looks like it's still hanging out at about 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
As you can see here, it's still hovering around 31.6, so.
What are we at for minute wise?
We are at minute 3.
We're at minute 3 for the mixture here. Creighton and I are about to get a temp, ain't that right, buddy? Just put it in there. It looks like we're still hanging around that 30 mark Fahrenheit. What do you think about that, buddy? Creighton wants to be a part of this one. So now we're gonna go get the temperature on the ice. Woohoo! Woohoo!
As we see here, it's still kind of dropping. Well, it's kind of climbing.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to get the temperature of the ice because it's just ice. 31.8.
31.
Yeah, 0.8, 0.6.
We're at minute 4 for the mixture. Put that bad boy in there. It's gotten a little bit, it's about the same, hanging out at that 30 mark there.
All right, so we have a new addition to the physical science team, and this is Keller. Keller cannot see, but she's a very sweet kitty cat.
All right, so we're still hovering around 31.8. It seems to be pretty steady right there.
Yeah. Minute 5. Let's check it out. And we are back down to that 30 mark. Yep.
Creighton is having a bath in the meantime. It's been a lot of work for him. He's gotten real sweaty. He's waiting on that ice cream.
Minute 6 seems to still be hovering. Oh, well, yeah, 31.8, 32. Just around freezing.
Yeah, we got some change there.
It makes sense. It is ice. It's the temperature it freezes at, so.
The mix. 6 minute mark. Let's check it out. Got maybe, nope, I lied. 30 degrees Fahrenheit still. So I was just informed by Mr. Creighton, who knows all, that We maybe should not have been taking the measurements for every minute. So from here on out, we're gonna switch things up a little bit, and we're gonna get to the ice cream making. Thanks, Creighton.
All right, so we're measuring our ice here, and it's hovering around 30.4, 30.7, just around there.
Nice. Now we're gonna get the half and half here. Put it in there, submerge it, and see what we get. It's dropping a little bit. Looks to be around 63 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alrighty, so now we're just gonna add the half and half in here. We're gonna
Creighton
measure
passing
more
by.
out. There's 2. So there's our half and half. And then time to mix the sugar. We're just gonna do a tablespoon. Don't want it too sweet. Just like that. Dissolve a little bit. And then Mom always taught me, in anything you're cooking, cap full, I miss the whole thing. Well, we're just gonna put another cap full in there.
All right.
Cap full is always good. Up that mess, we're now gonna
Nice.
We're also gonna add some PB Fit because, you know,
We've got our ice and salt and concoction in the bag. We're about to shake this baby so we get some ice cream. We're now gonna take the temp of this ice cream. Whoa, it's cold. About 26 degrees Fahrenheit. What's peanut butter ice cream nonetheless, and it looks pretty What's your final thoughts on this?
all right, we're gonna try it for the first time here.
First time.
Let's hope it's pretty good.
Word on the street.
That's a 10.
That's a 10.